To use the CapCut AI Video Maker for free, you don't need a CapCut Pro account. To create an AI video, click on the AI Video Maker. You'll see a lot of inspiration options below.
A young man was walking through a bustling...
Hey, good to see you.
Did you know that the peacock's tail isn't actually...
Choose the type of content you want to create. Once you've selected it, click to use it. Next, write your video script or topic. After that, select the video length, ratio, and style. Once everything is set, click on the Generate button. Your content will start generating. Once the process is complete, review everything carefully to ensure it's good. Then click on Generate Video. The video is now being generated, so wait for a few minutes. Once ready, you can play and check the video.
Meet our determined tabby kitten, ready to create pizza magic in the kitchen. Dough flies high. A playful toss, a little tangle, all part of the fun. Sauce splashes everywhere. Our chef gets messy, making pizza with passion. Tiny paws add toppings. Into the warm oven it goes, baking perfectly. Voila! A messy masterpiece, made with love. Our kitten's pizza is ready.